Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we're back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to see that how we can extract color from any image using Python. Okay, so let's get started with our codes. See, I have used few libraries here, okay, and one algorithm also. So let me first give you a brief of all the libraries, that why I have used that libraries. So first of all, I have used this Pillow, that is also known as Pill Python image library. From that, I'm importing the image to open the image here, okay, so that we can see the image. Then we have used NumPy. Okay, so we have used NumPy. Everyone knows that NumPy is used for numerical computations. Now, in this particular extraction of the color from any image, this NumPy is going to help in reshaping and manipulating the array. Okay. Then matplotlib.pyplot. So we are using matplotlib and a submodule present in matplotlib, that is pyplot. This will be used for plotting library, used for visualization, that we already know. In visualization, like showing the clustered colors, means whatever the colors we will store in the array, for showing purpose we are using this pyplot. Then there is matplotlib.image. Okay, so this is a submodule of matplotlib which is used for reading the images. Okay, so basically we are going to read the images and we are going to use some attributes, okay, of this. Then at last we are using the from k-means, means from sklearn scikit-learn library, there is a submodule clusters. From that we are using k-means. Okay, this is the type of clustering. Okay, you can say it as an algorithm also, k-means clustering algorithm, which is used to cluster the pixel colors in the image. Okay, that how many pixel colors in the image are there and how many we want it. So based on that, this algorithm will be used. So now let's get started with our code. So first of all, we'll open the image. So my image is present at this location. I have already given it. What we can do, you can just copy paste the location, or what you can do, you can in the same directory you can keep your image, so that it will be very easy. Means you will just directly write the name of the file and it will be opened. Okay, you can do that also. So here, this is my image. Okay, this is my image. And now what we are going to do, first of all, using this library, okay, using this following matplotlib.image, I am going to read my image. Okay, here this code is separate. This code is for opening the image, means to show the image in the in our Jupyter notebook here. Okay, now this one is for different. This was for reading it. Okay, so we are reading the image using the imread method, okay, which is present in this image submodule, okay, which is a submodule of matplotlib. Okay, then what we are going to do, then we are taking the object image, okay, in which we have read it, and then we are using the shape attribute and we are finding the shapes. So we will get the shape in three values: width, height, and dimension. So width is the width, height, and then this d is, you can say it is the color, okay, which is in RGB format, so which value will be 3. Okay, now what we will do, okay, then we are going to reshape it. Why we are going to reshape it? Because our k-means algorithm, it will be good for our k-means algorithm to read it in a pixel format, and this is in 3D format. Okay, so to convert it to a 2D format, basically in pixel format, what we are going to do, we are going to reshape it. Okay, so for reshaping it, I'm using the reshape method, and in that I'm just converting the width and height into a pixel. So earlier in the 3D array they were separate values, now I'm combining them and making it a 2D array. So width into height, and then this d will be our RGB colors. Okay, and now we are storing it in pixels. So now it is a 2D array. This pixels is a 2D array. Now we are defining n colors to be 10, because we want this to be, means this is going to, basically you can say it defines the number of color clusters we want. Okay, means in this particular image there could be combination of image, multiple combination of image. So from that we only want 10 of them. Okay, 10 color groups. So that's why we have already mentioned it in a separate object. Now this time for using our algorithm. So you can see we have taken k-means, okay, because we have directly imported it, so we do not need to write the name of the library and submodule. So k-means, and then n clusters. This n clusters is what? This n cluster is defined the number of clusters, okay, that we want. So we want 10, so we have just mentioned the n colors over here, okay. Then there is this random state. This random state, which is equal to 42, this will ensure that the result will be reproducible, okay, means again and again we'll get the same value. Then this dot fit, and in this dot fit we are putting our 2D array pixels. Now what is this? This means that we are fitting the k-means algorithm to the pixel data, meaning that what will happen, that it groups the image pixel into 10 colors clusters, okay, and after fitting, this cluster centers, means this cluster centers represents the dominant colors, okay. Now in the next step, you can see in the palette what we are doing, we are taking the k-means cluster centers, okay, which has our the set of colors, okay, that we are converting into a uint, means unsigned int 8, okay, because it will be in initially it will be in that format. Initially it will be in 0 to 1 range, okay. Now we are converting into an unsigned 8-bit integers, so that will range from 0 to 255. That is also the range of the RGB colors, okay, RGB color format. That is also the range of that. So we are converting it in that format, and then we are just using these three methods to show our color palette. As you can see, the PLT, that's why we have used the PLT, the pyplot library. So now plt.imshow. Now one more thing we are doing in the imshow, this palette is a 2D array, okay. Then we have taken a square braces. This square braces is doing what? Earlier the palette is a 2D array, then by taking this square braces, it will convert it into an 3D array, okay. So this is the thing. Then we are making the axis off, so that will not get y and x axis, and then we are just using the show method so that it will be showed in a representative way. So just wait for a few seconds. And these are the color palettes of 10 colors, okay, starting from white, so you can see, okay. And if you'll on it, so you will get the y and the x axis also, simply that thing. So we don't want the y and x axis, so because of that we have just turned it off, okay, because we just want our color palette. So here is our color palette, as you can see, okay. So this is how you can extract colors from any image. Not only this image, from any image you have to just give the address of that image and you can extract the colors using this code, okay. So I hope you have understood, and this video will find helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video.